Yeah, I know it's what I wanted to do. Except I want to do a front flip.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Woo!
Jump off from the bar.
Oh, I'm going to. You ready, Spencer? Make sure the nurse is ready. Oh, no, not on the center rails. Put on the outer rails. Yep, there you go. You ready, Dan?
Yeah, whatever you are.
He didn't even sit down. This snow's hard.
Yeah, it is.
Come on, Spencer. Do it. You can do it.
Alright, you know making love in the snow isn't legal here, you know.
Let me see what his head looks like.
Oh, Dan.
I can't tell who it is.
Making love in the snow. Just lunge yourself over it. Just lunge.
It's all down my back. I can't even get up. Don't pick on the little guy. I can't even put my hood up. So much snow.
Oh, we gotta watch him get up.
I can get up.
We love all the funny noises you make when you get up. Oh gosh.
Butt snow. After much work. What do you got in your back pocket? Where? My wallet? Oh, that was stupid.